What is up, guys? We saw Bitcoin going down, reaching 40,000 mark and everything. So what is going on? Is it gonna go down? Is it gonna go up? Is it gonna go in circles? Today we're gonna talk about everything and more about altcoins, about everything. But first, you're talking with the doctor and you're on. So we saw Bitcoin like go down to 40k mark. I told you about this. I told you right here if you remember. I don't know why people don't listen to me, guys. I told you right here. If you remember, if you watched previous videos, to open a short. And I was right. I was right. I prayed, I was right. Look at this. Right when I told you to open a short, look at the line, look at the trend. I told you that if something goes up, like after the FOMC meeting, right after that, it will go down later because the first move is wrong. The first move is always wrong. So we saw a 5% move down. That means with 20x leverage, we saw 100% return on our short. We made 100%. If you guys put in $1,000, you made $1,000. You have $2,000 now. So you can say you're a thousand linear, or I don't know the term for people who have just thousands of dollars. But let me talk about some new trades, new opportunities, great opportunities that can make us even more money. Okay, but first, let me talk about some news because we have some great news. As you know, Bitcoin halvings is around the corner, so we're gonna see some Bitcoin build up and up and up. What this means is, look at this news headline: Bitcoin miners hit record 9.97 million earnings from ordinals. I love ordinals because ordinals pay the miners. If the miners are paid and if they keep getting paid good amount of money, if they're profitable, they will keep on mining. When they keep on mining, they will sell more Bitcoin and you guys will have more Bitcoin. That is the thing. But if they aren't profitable, they will stop mining Bitcoin and that would be bad for us. So ordinals solve this situation, these problems from happening. So if you read here, in the wake of a substantial increase on chain transaction fees for Bitcoin compensation, miners, blah blah, 9.7, blah blah blah, miners raking records fee. Yeah, fuel 61% of Bitcoin transactions, really good. And if you see the charts for ordinal fees paid over time, it's really getting up now. Look at this. I think it's the all-time high for this year. So it's really good. What this means is it would decrease slightly and give us much more time. So yep. Let me get on to the Bitcoin chart and some opportunities for trades. So if you see right here, and if you saw my previous videos, I predicted this. I predicted that maybe this could happen. Look at this. Exactly like I drew. Exactly like I drew. It followed my drawings even. Look at this. I drew this like right around here and it just followed it. Wow. Who does this? Nobody does this. So what this means is, I told you guys that we still didn't fill the CME gap on, if you check the Bitcoin dominance on the daily, we broke the resistance and the resistance became support. Yep. And if we check the BTC for CME, look at this. I told you it was gonna go down and it did. On the weekly chart, we haven't still filled the gap right on the 39k. We went down and it just created a wick. So it bounced off, it reversed. And this week is gonna push us down to 39k. We could go down more because we haven't still filled it yet. So if you guys remember, I told you that if the previous week is a red week, it is common to see the second week also be a red week. So we really could fill up the gap this week or the next. So if you have longs on, please, please, please get out of the longs if your liquidation price is around the 40 to 39k level. If you're below, maybe, yeah, I really don't think you need to be any long right now. Don't buy Bitcoin, don't buy any type of Bitcoin. Wait, have patience, please. And if we see the BTC chart too, right over here, we are gonna break this resistance level we see in the daily. Look at this. I told you if it breaks this level, we would go straight down to the 39 right here. Let me draw a line right around here because the CME gap is right around here. Now, are we gonna go down to 30k or 31k? Not yes, not no. Because if we go down to 30k, we have to go to 38k first, right? We can't go straight to 30k without touching the 38, 39k level. What does that mean? That means we need to open a short and make our take profits right on the 38 to 39k level, because then it might go straight back up. We do not know. It might go back up and just bounce off that level and go back to 43, 44, 45. We do not know. It is probable that it is gonna go straight down, but we don't want to take our chances. If you see the drawing here, I draw like this line would be like a bounce off level. Maybe it will bounce off and go up, or we will bounce off and go down. So we might also see go down like this, and this. We just might. So we need to be careful. And if you haven't opened a short yet, this is a great time to open a short. Just make your stop loss on the 43,000 level and make your take profit on the 38k or 39k. And it would be a good 5 to 6% return. But the thing is, we really got up Bitcoin without any type of pullback, as I told you. So, and if we check before these charts, when it goes up, when Bitcoin goes up, just up and up and up without any type of resistance, any type of pullbacks, sorry, it goes down to like from 50, 30, 50, 40%, major percents. So we haven't seen any type of major pullbacks. So we might see it now. If you remember the FTX collapse right around here, from then on, we went up 160%. And if we check the pullbacks that happened, it's just 16%, 17%, 15%. So we haven't yet seen any major pullbacks. So we might just see it now. And the new level could be 31k level. So if you haven't opened a short again, open a short, please. Open a short. But this is not any type of financial advice. I'm just telling you what I did right now, what I'm doing. And for altcoins, for Ethereum, the same thing. I told you that this is the support. We are breaking the support. We saw a huge wick. It just wants to go down. Look, if you see here, it tested it, went up, bounced up, and it also wants to break it again. It is like it is showing us that it really wants to go down. But do not open a short yet, because it can go up to the 2300 level still. We might see it go up like this, maybe this, and then go down like this. Go down to 2000, from 2000 to 1900 level. So you don't want to be in Ethereum right now, because you are risking to get liquidated if you're using leverage, which for shorts most of you will be doing. And please open shorts if and only if you see it break and closes the candle below 2100 level. Below it, not a week, not live, just make sure it closes and maybe retests. So you might see something like this, maybe like this, down and up, retest, down, retest. Then you open a short, then you can just relax and see it go down. If not, don't open a short. Okay, great deals for altcoins. I'm gonna show you altcoins chart now. If we see here, right here, look at this. This was a major consolidation zone. Right, if you see it in the 4-hour chart, and if we draw a support and resistance line right here, look at this. It is just consolidating. And if we see this, we might go down, yeah, but now it's going up. What that means is if we break this level and if we go up to, we could go up to around 500 billion in total market cap. So many people will be investing in altcoins, meme coins, all of them. And that is why I'm telling you to choose and put some money in altcoins, because altcoin season is coming and you do not want to miss it. So my altcoins are AVAX, Link, Neo, I told you guys, Matic, Cardano. I really don't like Cardano. Sol, I don't think so. And yes, this is what I see in the market for today and this week in particular. And make sure you guys like and subscribe. And do you think that Bitcoin will go down to 39K or will bounce back of the support and go to 45K? Let me know down in the comments. And make sure you subscribe and hit that bell button, because if you do not subscribe, you are missing opportunities. Look at all these opportunities, all these trades. You already missed it if you didn't take it. And you do not want to miss another opportunity when it comes. So make sure you subscribe. See you guys in another video and let's make a lot of money.